Hello, it's Olivier. Welcome on my channel. Today I will do a review of another DJI product, not the Osmo Action itself, because there's already a lot on the internet and on YouTube, but on something that not many people seem to have, the Osmo Action charging kit. So in this box you find obviously the charger and two boxes with a battery in it, and because I'm in Europe and especially in France, I have this charger. So you will see it's missing something, because with that I cannot use it. DJI was greedy enough not to include a USB Type-C cable. I guess they think that since you already get the Osmo Action if you buy this, and they already provide a cable with the Osmo Action, they don't need to give you another one. I mean, it's only 89 euro, I think. It's very expensive. Anyway, this is a 3 amp charger. First I want to show you something about the design of the battery case. You can here put an SD card, which is always good, and they also included, I don't know if you can see, yeah, you can see here, they put this and this, full battery icon, and here empty battery icon. So it's something we usually use. It just tells you if your battery is full or empty, and just by putting it in a specific way you can know when you open it, because you have 3 already, if it's a full battery or an empty one. So anyway, you probably have seen this one is the one I got with the Osmo Action camera. It's different because there's a sticker on it. The other one don't have any sticker on it. And if I press the button, it will show you the status of the battery and which one needs to charge and everything. The main purpose of this video is I want to show you something I noticed when I first charged it, and I thought one of my battery was dead. You see, this battery is charging, this battery is charging, but this one is yellow, and it's actually normal. If you check the manual, there's like a lot of status for the LED, and of course it's like 1 blink 25, 2 blinks 50, 3 blinks 75, and if it stops blinking it's full. But when it's yellow it means it's queued, because if you see like the drone on video, it will say you can charge in parallel 3 batteries. It's not true. You can charge 2 batteries at the same time, and when the first one will be completed, fully charged, it will move on to the last one. So it's just 2 at the same time. It's good to know, because if you're like me, you will be like, why it's not charging, why it's different, is there a problem with my battery? It's actually just what I wanted to show you, because there's no review online, and nobody seems to show that. It's the only one you can find. So that's about it for this accessory. Do you need it? Definitely, it's super good. When you see all the electronic inside to tell you the status of the battery, and because there's also a lot of error code if your battery has a problem, it's very good. So it kind of worth the price, and the battery are with the sealing and everything. It's more than the usual battery, and the box is also a nice touch, because when you travel, it's good to have plastic box you can put each battery in, especially if you take the plane and stuff like that, and if you want to put it in your backpack or whatever. Okay, so that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this video and you find it informative. You see, I discharge very little this one, so now the two are charging, as I told you. It seems I will do a lot of video about DJI products, so if you don't want to miss it, please subscribe and check the bell icon stuff, and if you want to leave a like or a comment, it would be appreciated. And you can check my other content. It's mainly vlogging about Taiwan because I love this country, and that's actually why I bought all the DJI Osmo Pocket and Osmo Action in the first place.